Hey YouTube, how are you guys? I'm Howard, welcome to my machine shop. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to finish my soft jaws for the lathe, for my little lathe. I already, these started out blanks that you can buy. They came with the lathe. And I did this on the end. And they're just soft jaws. They're, so you can trim them up so you don't mark stuff. So what I'm going to do, I started to already lay them out so I can do the other two steps in the jaw. So you can flip them and chuck something bigger on the outside, or you can use them for chucking on the idea of a part. So this is what I've already done to it. Okay. This is what they originally looked like. For some reason or another there was two extras. Okay, they already come with the mill slots to where it'll fit on your chuck, and then you just make them the rest of the way how you want them. Kind of easy peasy. And anyway, I'll get them laid out, and then I'll bring you back when I put them in the mill. I'm going to rough them out in the mill, and then I'm going to put them on the chuck and do the finish cut on them on the chuck and on the lathe. Okay, I'll bring you back. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button or the dislike button, comment, good or bad, I don't care. Thanks, I'll bring you right back.
Hey guys, here I am back. You see me? So I'm roughing these jaws down. Unfortunately, I don't have a good roughing in now. Everything I got is dull, used and dull. So I'm using one of the only sharp end mills I got left. I was going to cut all three jaws at the same time, but I decided not to do that. So anyway, taking a pretty good depth of cut here, probably quite close to 3/8 deep, part at a time. And it's an interrupted cut, it goes through that boho, so I got the back of my camera open to see if the mic doesn't pick up my voice a little better. I seem to have a problem with that when I'm talking to you guys. I don't know if it is. I hope so. We'll find out soon enough, I guess. So anyway, this is going to be kind of a drawn out process here, which I'm sure there's other ways to do it. But actually I was going to saw cut these cutouts, but my saw doesn't cut very straight. It's just a cheap little saw. Someday I'll get a good one. I always say that, don't I? Someday when I get rich. Someday. Anyway, this is what I got to work with, so we're going to keep cutting like this, and I'll bring you back when I get them all roughed out. And we'll go from there. Once I get them to work and put them back on the lathe. And I'll show you how I do that. Alright. See guys later. Please click subscribe, like, or dislike, and comment. Thank you very much.